Hey viewers, you are watching the Savera and I am Manpreet Kaur. In a significant legal development today, the Supreme Court of India has dismissed the petition filed by retired Justice Yashant Varma, which challenged the jurisdictions of a parliamentary panel investigating him in the ongoing cash for influence controversy. The top court's decision put to rest the plea that sought to stall the inquiry on grounds of constitutional validity and procedural overreach. Justice Yashant Varma, a former judge of the Allahabad High Court, had approached the Supreme Court seeking to quash the notice issued by the Joint Parliamentary Committee that is examining allegations of undisclosed large-cash transactions and purported misuse of influence involving him. The petitioner had contended that the parliamentary panel lacked the legal authorities to probe a retired judicial figure and that this parliamentary action impinged upon the independence of the judiciary and violated constitutional safeguard. However, Constitution Bench of the Supreme Court, after hearing detailed arguments from both sides, has rejected these contentions. The bench reformed that the Parliament's power to conduct inquiries into matters of public interest and accountability, reinforcing that such probes do not necessarily breach judicial independence or constitutional limits when framed within establishments, parliamentary privileges and procedures. Senior advocate representing the parliamentary committee argued before the bench that no individual, regardless of past office, is above scrutiny when questions arise pertaining to public interest and ethical conduct. The court appeared to argue with this stance, holding that parliamentary's powers to summon individuals and examine evidence in the context of legislative inquiries are well recognized and do not infringe in judicial domain, provided that they operate within constitutional norms. Legal experts observing that the case have highlighted that the Supreme Court's ruling sets an important precedent. It reaffirms the balance between parliamentary oversights and judicial autonomy, underscoring that accountability mechanisms can extend to public figures once they leave office, especially in matters that engage public trust. Analysis says this judgment may influence how future petitions against parliamentary inquiries are approached in the higher judiciary. Meanwhile, members of the Joint Parliamentary Committee have welcomed the Supreme Court's decision, stating that it paves the way for the parliamentary probe to proceed without legal uncertainty or delay. They reiterated that commitment to a full and fair examination of the facts surrounding in the allegation cash row and said they will continue their work in accordance with established parliamentary norms. Justice Yashant Varma's legal team has indicated that they are considering all available legal remedies, including a review petition within the Supreme Court. Observers point out that decisions of this nature often invite deeper judicial scrutiny. But for now, the parliamentary inquiries is set to continue unimpeded. We will continue to closely follow updates in this developing story and bring you further reactions from legal experts, members of parliament and other stakeholders as they unfold. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe our channel.